Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing of a new makeup bag that I picked up from Basker, and also these makeup brushes that I picked up from BS Mall. So for those of you that don't know, I am an aspiring makeup artist, and I thought this would be like a pretty neat gift, to gift myself. So when I do get out there, I'll be a lot more organized when it comes to doing clients and things like that. So I thought this bag was perfect. It was a great size. It wasn't too big, wasn't too bulky, but it was just right. Okay, so right here, I'm opening the bag to show you guys what all it contains and stuff like that. The brush holders, the different spaces to put your makeup palettes in. It also came with a strap in case you want to wear it on your shoulder. You can adjust it and hang it on your shoulder, so that's great. So you can just pick it up and go. And yeah, so just watch. Okay, so right here I'm showing you guys the different slots that came in the makeup bag, where you could put like your different eyeshadows, or they also have like slits in here, so you can adjust it to how much space you would like to have. There right there shows the brushes where you can put your makeup brushes at. I'm definitely be using it. I love how much space it has. But the main thing I like about this bag, like I said, it isn't too big. It isn't too, well, it's big enough for me, but it isn't too bulky or weigh you down and stuff like that. Right here, I'm showing you the slots. See, you can just adjust it and snap it in. So in addition to the makeup bag, I also picked up these brushes from BS Mall. Y'all, these brushes are so soft, and I thought they were super cute, and they had no smell to them. It also came with this paper that showed you, like, say if you need help figuring out which brush is which, it shows you which number and which one does what. So I thought that was pretty nice, especially if you're a beginner makeup artist. So it's always good to have like a manual. Okay, so it came with the 18-piece set, including like all your standard makeup brushes that you may need when doing clients or even like practicing makeup on yourself. Okay, right now I'm just testing it out to see how well everything fits. And I love all the departments in here. It's definitely going to make toning around my makeup a lot more easier and more functional. So yes, I definitely give it a plus. Okay, so there you have it, all ready to go. And I'll have the information on where I got the items in my description box. Thanks for watching.